Okay, so let's take a look what is inside SmartyKit of the new version of the new batch. So it would be backwards. So it's FTDI cable. So this is needed to connect to the controllers in order to update the drivers. So we have a video cable. This is used in order to connect SmartyKit to a TV set or an old monitor, the original one or Apple II. This is like popular connector. So this is connectors that is used for TV and PS24 keyboard, and also address and bus controller connector in order to connect memory with the CPU. Okay, so bag number 6 is one with a lot of passive components. Resistors, capacitors, LEDs for tests, and generator for the CPU. Okay, so the bag number 5 is the one for display parts. So it's a frame with the screws and standoffs in order to make it beautiful. The display itself, so it's 2.8 inches, and it is like this. So battery holder and connector is number 3. So there is a connector and the small connector that is used in order to take it the power to the board and also the battery pack. So it's like this, and then we have opening like this. So here you can see the bag with wires, and then this one with breadboards. So we have a stack of breadboards there. So this is number 1, and also we have a bag with all the wires. This is jumper wires, so it's all of them inside. So they're custom cut, and so they have standard sizes of S, M, and L. And also we have like this layer with modules. So this one was already used for tests. And also we have this layer with chips, and also we have nice stickers that we use for chips, that everybody got one of these inside the bag. Thank you for watching. That was me.